When you change your core, your format, that the way you're designed, everything about your humanity changes. So one is to keep heart in the right place, which is the love zone. It is your spirit that is full of love, and that is the way to be, to start with. And two is that, in this world, there is nothing called fitting in. As long as you have your constant oneness with yourself, you're able to go completely right into your spirit and live the person you are within you, the world will sync with you. It's not the other way around. So if you completely change over and think that that's the way to fit in, there is no end to it. I always say love is where it all begins, and I want to leave saying that, because that's the reminder. No matter how uncomfortable somebody gets with it, I always say, please begin with your love. That's where you will find your happiness in all aspects of your life.